We all know losing oil pressure can result in catastrophic damage to your engine. It may also be accompanied by increased temperatures and engine noise. Operating in these conditions can cause premature wear of additional engine components. These signs may lead you to a failed oil pump, resulting in your engine losing performance and efficiency. Avoid any impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get back on the road with an oil pump from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this new oil pump assembly for the Cummins ISX. Keep your engine cool with this oil pump designed to OEM specifications and tolerances. Offering excellent reduction in heat, boosting your oil pressure to support and lubricate all your engine components your truck depends on. What do you get in return? Increased power, reliability, and support from our ASE-certified technicians. Backed by years of industry experience, HHP has you covered from purchase to installation. Reduce downtime from the road and restore the power in your ISX. Quality, performance, and power. Backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE-certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. From America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.